Have you seen a pretty fine lady today? It is glow eyes. Look how I'm glowing. Okay, I just want to remind you that this is raining season. Stay in your house. Oh, my cucumber chop. Stay in your house. Hmm. Stay in your house. Oh, it's raining. It's raining. No go enter my house. Oh, you go chop double food. I just had to remind you that. Stay in your house. Oh, before you go do unexpected omugo. This is rainy season. It's weather for two, pregnancy tablet for one. You know what I mean? Okay. Thank God it's Wednesday and it's ladies' day. So stay cool.